And then yesterday at the ESCO meeting, which we sat down, we decided on this year's Merdeka theme. So I just want to announce this year's Merdeka theme on the 31st of August. Negaraku selamat, bersih, hijau, sehat. Selamat in front. Public safety, especially against crime. Okay, so this is our team. For the state team, this is the Penang State Government team, the national team. But I think what is more important is for the people looking for safety, cleanliness, green and healthy. So Negaraku, my country, my land, our country. Safe, clean, green, healthy. Okay. 我有的主题就是我的国家安全、清洁、绿化、健康。